Hello, welcome to my Java tutorials. In this video, we're going to install Java, Visual Studio Code, and set up Visual Studio Code to work properly with Java. To download Java, you have a couple of options. You have the downloads from Oracle. We choose for Java 21. And you can choose between Linux, Mac OS or Windows. The second possibility is the OpenJDK. You can download here 23 and install it. To download Visual Studio Code, you have Windows, Linux, Mac and different options. You find the links in the description from the video. Once you have downloaded and installed the software, we can open Visual Studio Code. You have here the starting screen. The first thing we need to do is to go to extensions. The extensions are loaded. And search for Java. We install the first extension pack for Java. The extension pack has 7 extensions, all needed to properly program Java. Install, and the extension is installed. If you go now to folders, we have a new button here, Create Java Project. The next thing we need to do is to go to Settings, JDK, install JDKs and edit in settings.json. As you can see here on my computer, I have 2 versions of Java, 17 and 21, but 21 is the default one. Now we can close Settings. Save it, close it. Now we can create a new Java project. No build tools. I select the folder and the name. My first Java. Enter. You have to trust because myself, and project is opened. And open it and see. The Java is activating. We wait a little bit, and as you can see, everything is ready. Now we can run the project and see hello world. That was it for this video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you and see you later.